and welcome to my apartment.
So, as you enter in our apartment, we kind of haven't decided where our furniture is gonna go yet. But there's like this little alcove area. So I'll pan to like the front door. And then this is a closet. We've emptied a bunch of bags of stuff, so it's not a complete empty apartment tour, but there's a closet rack and our vacuum. So nice windows. And then as you turn around, oops, zoomed out a little too much. So then here we come through this way. So I think we're kind of gonna do a couch here, like facing where the camera is. And I think we're gonna do our TV on that wall. We're not 100% sure yet. And then this is where our dining room table is gonna be. We got a really cute table from Ashley Furniture. I'm so excited about it. I'm excited about everything, so I'll say that about 10 times. And this is our kitchen. Sorry for the mess. We've been opening up a bunch of stuff we got from like Ross and TJ Maxx. So as you come in here, our dishwasher already running things. And then the cabinets and the windows. I got this really cute set from Ross. So cute. And then our pans on this nice drying rack we got from TJ Maxx. You already know I had to pull out my Bath & Body Works soaps. And this is a really cool like one-hand soap dispenser. A little view of our patio, which I'll show in a second. And then this is our pantry space. We're a little annoyed because we thought that this was full pantry, but it turns out that this side is empty. So we asked our like management company and they're gonna look into putting shelves on that side. And this side is still empty, but there's shelves on all of them. And then here's our fridge and our freezer. I cleaned them and we put ice cubes in there, and then we had our first lunch today of Jersey Mike's. It's a really interesting egg tray and butter like section. But we went through and we did just like a clean through of here. And then out here is our deck. So let me unlock the door. Show you. This is our little deck. We got a really cute little chair and table set, and we're gonna have a little garden. And this goes into our bedroom, but I'm gonna take you through the other way. So then as we keep, we'll go back to the kitchen. Again, dining room. So couch, like you'll be looking at the back of the couch and the TV over there. We think, we're not quite sure yet. So as we're coming down the hallway, this is the spare bedroom in here. And the closet is over here. So just a spare bedroom there in the corner. This is the spare bathroom. So we do have a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, which is nice. We've cleaned it today. We got our new Bath & Body Works wallflower that we got from the sale, the semi-annual sale. There's me. This is where our washer and dryer will go. We haven't bought one yet. Bought our set yet, but washer and dryer. And then there's a nice shelf up there. And then, oops, this goes into our master. So here's the master bathroom. Started putting some of our products in here already. Bath & Body Works. And this one's a light. Super nice. Again, from the semi-annual sale. Our breaker box is over there. And then here is the master. And then here's the closet. Nice big closet with 2 racks. I really like that. And then here is that patio again. And then we got the sliding glass door. So this is our empty apartment. This is still my bedroom here now. So today is Friday, June 26th. And we're moving some stuff in that we can fit in our cars. Both my boyfriend and I have small cars, so we can't fit everything in. And so we are, I recruited the help of my best friend, and she has a truck, and then her dad has a trailer. Excuse my mess of a hair, we're moving. And so tomorrow, first thing we're gonna get our couch, and it's about a 30-mile drive, like there, and then another 30-mile drive back. So we're gonna get our couch, bring it directly here, and then all of our stuff is in his parents' house and garage. So we're gonna go get all of our stuff and bring it over here, and then hopefully all day Sunday we can spend unpacking. And yes, so I believe tomorrow night's gonna be our first night here, June 27th, but we're just unpacking and cleaning as much as we can today. So I am moving in with my boyfriend. We've been together 4 years as of this December, but I've been in college for those 4 years, well, 3.5 of those. So I've lived about 200 miles away from him this whole time at my college, and he was living in my hometown. We went to high school together, and so we are going to now move in back in my hometown now that I've graduated, and that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Hopefully I'll film some like moving vlogs sort of things. I still have a little bit of footage from when I moved out, so I might put that on some of my moving in footage and hopefully get a vlog or two, or just some shots of us moving, I don't know. So I was just editing the moving out footage, like that vlog, and then I started editing this like empty apartment tour, and I realized that it kind of ended, like it just felt really short. So I ended up not filming like at all with moving. I kind of explained that in the moving out vlog, but it was just crazy times. So today is currently Tuesday, June 30th, so the last time I filmed was Friday. Saturday, like I said, so we went in the morning, we met my friend at Ashley Furniture at 10 a.m., picked up our couch, came back here, brought the couch up, then went over to his parents' bedroom, and we filled the trailer with all of our stuff. And about 12:30 or so, we ended up picking up a washer and dryer. I found one on Marketplace. And then, so we filled that trailer, the washer and dryer was the last of it, and then we came over to the apartment and started moving. And so we had his two parents, his mom and dad, and then we had my best friend and her husband helping, and then there was me and then my boyfriend, so 6 people. And in like this space, obviously I can accommodate that 6 people, but it was just kind of cramped, lots of people. I didn't want to shove a camera in anybody's face with my phone. And like we ended up like stopping at Taco Bell and getting one of those like party pack taco packs for like lunch, and it was a whirlwind of a day. It was really busy. So I didn't film anything, but I thought in this little clip here I would show a little bit of like a furnished apartment tour. I'll show a little bit of what we've done so far. It's still messy, there's still boxes, there's still clutter. We're nowhere near ready to move, like nowhere near moved in, and we still have stuff at his parents' house as well. Just like smaller stuff that we didn't grab that we're gonna go and make trips, because it's just there, it's spare bedroom now. So but so I thought I would just do a little quick show of what we've accomplished so far. So I'm in the living room here, like right in the front entrance. Here is our couch. This is just a spare blanket. Absolutely in love with it. It was called the Darcy sofa at Ashley Furniture. It was like $300. We're trying to decide if we want to get the love seat here. Not sure if it's gonna fit. Kind of an awkward space. There's our lamp that I got at a garage sale. And then here's our TV, and then we're using this so far as a TV stand. I think we're gonna get a new one eventually. It's my projector, fan, and then here's our table. We are in love with our table. So far we've only ordered 2 chairs because it's just the 2 of us. And we're either gonna order bar stools that match or chairs that match. We haven't decided yet. And then this is what we love about it so much. So this is the like side of the table, and it's almost like a kind of like a bookshelf of sorts, and this is where we're storing our games. We're such board game, card game people. We actually just went and bought Mastermind, and then guess who's at the bottom at Walmart like 2 days ago because we wanted board games to play, and the cards and everything. We have like 10 versions of Uno. And then into the kitchen, air fryer, brand new toaster, brand new knife block, our utensils. We have this mat, I think it was there in the video. Just some decorations of sorts so far. Our microwave. And then you can see through the blinds there. Let me take you into our patio. So when you come out into our patio, we have this, which is going to become a planter box. Really excited about that. We started a garden at his parents' house, so we're just going to transplant. And then this is our little table and little patio set. We really need to sweep out here, but we had a ton of ants on this when we moved, so we haven't been able to use that yet. So let me pause this and I'll take you over to the bedrooms area. So over in this area is where you see the total clutter and mess. This is where we're just kind of throwing things for now and organizing it as we go. We still have kitchen stuff and boxes in here. I was in the process of doing laundry, so this is all here because we did get a washer and dryer. So exciting. We're so happy about it. We were gonna have to use his parents', which is not that big of a deal, but just so grateful that we have it. And so we've got some organization of some products up there, and then we have more like laundry and soap stuff in there. So there's that. Still more clothes and such. Bathroom is pretty much the same, just a lot more products. I have a bath mat, and then, excuse the mess, I did not make the bed this morning yet, but we have this really cute bedspread, and we're getting our bed frame, like I said, I think tomorrow, but it's this really pretty purple, and then this floral. And so in our bedroom we have the mini fridge, our fan, a small TV, and the dresser, and then this is our closet, again not unpacked. Total moving hack if you've never seen this before. My favorite, especially since I've moved in and out of dorms now like 4 times, so I'm so used to having to move very often. Trash bags, and you put the trash bags like around the clothes, and then you wrap both handles around it. This time I did use I think 2 rubber bands per. It didn't really make that much of a difference. It kind of helped for gripping them, but it is the best moving hack as long as you can fit it in. The bigger stuff I threw back on top. That did not work. I was having to carry them, and dresses was a whole other story. That was not really working either, but for normal sized clothes worked amazing. So I'll walk back around so kind of show you the room again. Super messy, not unpacked, still boxes, not a made bed, but there's the bedroom. So back out in our sort of living room area. I can't remember if I said this in the other video, I just filmed the clip for that, or this one, but we're still not finished yet. We still have some furniture that we need to get. We don't have a coffee table yet, but that's actually in the mail. My sweet mother bought it for us. We made like an apartment Amazon list, and she bought a few things for us. So coffee table, we're gonna buy it like a TV stand, entertainment center. I found a really cheap one for like 80 bucks on Amazon, so we're gonna order that. And then we don't have like end tables for our bed, or if I want any like end tables for the couch out here. What else? Oh, we want a futon for the spare bedroom. So I have a little sister who is 13, and so we really want her to come up safely with the coronavirus. We're not sure if that's gonna happen this summer or later, but she lives like 12 hours away by driving, 800 miles. So we could drive and pick her up. I'm not currently working right now. I will be starting my master's program soon. I will post more about that later. So we want a futon for our spare bedroom, so if we have guests or anything like that, currently they could sleep on our couch, which is super comfortable. We actually fell asleep on our couch last night at like 7 p.m. But yeah, we still have some furniture to pick up. We still have some unboxing to do and figuring out where things are going, and like our bathroom is a hot mess, trying to figure out where our products are gonna go and stuff like that. But yeah, so thank you for coming along on this moving in journey with me, and moving out of my college apartment. I am so excited to be in this place. Like I mentioned before, it's a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. And I'm sharing it with my boyfriend, and we're in love with our space. We love our furniture we have, and I'm just so happy to be able to live with him and get everything set up. So I'm not sure what videos I will make coming forward, but I will see you in the future. Bye!